Morning, children. Hi, I'm Mr. Chris, and for today, we are going to be making a simple project called radial design that involves the different elements of art. Now, before we start making the project, or before we start making the radial design project or activity, let us first review the different elements of art. Now, before we start with our project, let us first review the different elements of art. In art, there are 6 elements that we have to remember. The first element is the dot, or we call it the point. A dot is merely a simple starting point of any drawing. The second element is a line. Now, when your dots are being grouped or aligned in array, then you connect them together, it is called a line. And a line may be considered or may be classified as straight horizontal line, straight vertical line, straight diagonal line, wavy lines, zigzag lines, spiral line, or the other spiral line. A line may also represent in terms of letters, like the C or the inverted C, maybe an S. How about an inverted S? These are elements of lines where for as long as the starting and the end point do not meet each other. The third element is what we call the shape. The shape, is any kind of geometric form that is enclosed by lines, and they may be classified as triangles, squares, rectangles, circles, heart, even a star, or maybe an irregular object. For as long as their ends meet together, they form a shape. The fourth element is form. This is a combination of both lines and shapes that are connected into different kinds of formations. Number 1, there is the organic form. Wherein it is being made combination of shapes, irregular and geometric, that is formulated by nature. Next is man-made. These are geometric forms that are created by man or can be changed by man, or it can be it can combine 2 or more shapes together. The fifth element is color. Color gives life to any kind of artwork, and they are divided into 3 color divisions. Number 1 is primary, wherein it consists of your red, blue, and yellow. These colors, are the only colors that cannot be made by any other color except themselves. Next is secondary. When we say secondary colors, we mix 2 primary colors to make a new color. When we mix red and blue, we get violet. When we mix blue and yellow, we get green. And when we mix red and yellow, we get orange. And the last one would be tertiary colors. These are colors that are mixed by 2 to 3 colors that makes a new color. And the last element of art is texture. Texture, defines the roughness and smoothness of an image or on an artwork in a masterpiece. For our project today, we will be using the following materials: a pencil with an eraser, a dark colored pentel pen or marker, oil pastel or crayon, and any kind of wooden stick.